Take a look here at our snow potential or snow estimate, and you'll notice the numbers are very low. The vast majority of the state less than an inch. I'd be surprised if Stevens Point and areas south of that even got a quarter of an inch of snowfall tonight. Most of it will be up here in the Northwoods, where we have a chance between that dusting to inch total. We take a look at the precipitation chances moving forward. Pretty low as we track through the evening, and then very low as we track throughout the next 24 to 48 hours. A very dry pattern that won't just stick with us through our Tuesday and Wednesday, but throughout most of this week, not seeing a chance of snow again until the end of the weekend. Let's track that out here with Future Track. You can see that light snow moving through over the next couple of hours. Here's 6 o'clock, so about an hour from now, we're seeing that snow starting to move into the central part of the Northwoods. By 8 o'clock, that'll primarily have pushed off to the east, but still a couple of flakes and flurries drifting through the northern half of the state. 10 o'clock, a couple of flurries left over, and after midnight, we should start to dry out as we move into our Tuesday. So overall, once again, not the most comfortable weather to be outside, but a little bit better than that extreme cold and record-breaking temperatures we had settling into the weekend. As we move throughout our Tuesday, we'll actually move from cloud cover back into sunshine, and then we'll have a lot of sunshine for most of this week. The dry pattern will create for a lot of bright skies. At times, we'll see cloud cover move in, then the clouds subside, and we see some sunshine yet again. But overall, it should be fairly pleasant if you don't mind throwing the hats and gloves on, as temperatures will only really be hitting the single digits. Extended Future Track not showing too much for Friday and Saturday, but take a look at Sunday. We are looking at another chance of snowfall moving in. This could be a couple of inches, but of course is widely unsettled as it's still a ways away, multiple days out in the forecast. Numbers today, we had 4 degrees so far. We are expected to warm up by another degree or so as we track into the later evening hours. Still far away from our high temperature average for this time of year at 23 degrees. Overnight low this morning was -13. Our evening forecast and feel will be continuing the single digits. Our feels like temperature well below zero. Overnight forecast tonight at -2 degrees by the time we hit early tomorrow morning. Daytime high tomorrow at 6 degrees. So another chilly day to get outside and breezy. Northwest winds 10 to 20. Here's the rest of the week. You can see single digits continue through Thursday, back into the teens on Friday, and 20s return for the weekend.